Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to add overlays on Twitch OBS. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to this website over here called Owned. To go to this specific section that I am looking at right now, you're going to type in this specific URL link that I am looking at right now. After that, you're simply going to click on Join for free over here. And then we will be redirected to the login page. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on Register Now or If you don't have an account, you can simply click on Register Now. If you do have an account, you can simply log in with Twitch, Discord, or email over here. After logging in, you would be redirected once again. And over here, what you're going to do, if you don't have an OBS yet, you can simply click on download. But if you already have an OBS like me, which is what I'm using to record right now, you can simply click on already have OBS. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on download plugin. After downloading the plugin, you can simply click on the installer and you will be able to install the specific plugin for OBS. After doing that, you can simply exit your OBS, make sure that it does refreshed. And after doing that, you will be able to see this tab over here called Own Pro. You're simply going to click this, click on Overlay and Alerts, and you will be able to see the store that sells the overlays available in OBS. There are some free options, as you can see here. We have Chroma, Pure, Simple, and Easy. You're simply going to choose the specific design that you would like to have, and you can click on Download over here, and you will be able to download and automatically use the specific overlays that you have used. After that, you're going to click on Scene Selection, and you will be able to see this option over here above the Untitled. This is the overlay that I have chosen. As you can see, that is the overlay that we have, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.